my video review of the Gens Ace 2200 milliamp hour 25C 14.8 volt battery. This is a 4S battery. It has a authentic Dean's plug pre-soldered on there, and a JST type balance connector with a nice nylon sleeve over it. The black first wire is the ground, and the red wire is the 14.8 volt tap. These other wires go between the other batteries. So first thing I'm going to check on this battery, let's take a look at the weight, and let's measure the weight of this battery. So I get 7.8 ounces. So that's the actual weight of the battery, which is typical, a little bit less, which is good than other comparable batteries. I have a little cell tester here. I'm going to put the JST connector on here. Let's take a look at the cell. It says a total of 16.77 volts. And this is the individual cells: 4.196, 4.184, 4.2, and 4.187. So as you can clearly see, they're all very balanced, which is a good sign. Now I'm going to be putting this battery on my charger and discharging it first, and then we're going to charge it up. And usually when you first charge these batteries after discharge, you're not going to get the full capacity. It takes a couple of cycles. But we're going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to put this plane in an ugly stick airplane, and we're going to see how the battery performs in that plane. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Gens Ace battery, the 4-cell, on a Thunder AC, and I'm going to use the discharge function. And I'm going to let the battery discharge, and that way I could charge it. And there's the individual voltages. You can see it's 3.82, 3.81, 3.82, 81, 82. That's a good sign. It shows that it's already pretty balanced. So after I discharge it, I'm then going to put it on the charger and do this, get the capacity of the battery and charge it before I test it in my airplane. Okay, so now I finished discharging the battery, and it took 799 milliamp hours out of the battery. And now I'm going to go into the charge mode. I'm going to do a balance charge. I'm going to go to 2.2 amp hours. And 14.8 volts, which is the battery size. And we're going to hold it down. And now we're starting a charge. And we'll see how it does. And let's check the balance. You see 3.77, they're all about the same, so we're going to come back to it after it's fully charged. Okay, so it finished charging, and it looks like 2,059 milliamp hours went into it. And let's check the voltages, and you can see they're all within 1/100 of a volt, and that's really good. The capacity will increase as you use it after about 4 or 5 cycles. The plane I'm going to be testing it on is a ugly stick, which is a pretty big airplane, 3 pounds 14 ounces, and it has a internal battery holder section right here, and this battery slides right into that section right there. and it gets held on with Velcro strap. So next thing you do is to test it in the field. So it looks like it's got a lot of power. Lots of power. So what's my overall impressions of this Gens Ace 2200 milliamp hour 25C 14.8 volt battery with Dean's connectors and a JST plug? I think this is a great battery. I think it's very reasonably priced. The construction seems to be your typical LiPo battery, very nicely done with a nice heat shrink. It's a little bit lighter than other batteries. The capacity was fine for my airplane. And I think this is, again, a great value. So I'm going to give this a full 5-star rating on my video review channel. And I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.